Well, welcome to the garden. This is unexpected probably for all of us, and this video is unscripted in the same way that probably all of our lives are unscripted at the moment. I think if you'd asked any of us a few weeks ago if most of us have been asked by national, state and local government to stay at home, we probably wouldn't have guessed that this would be happening. But I'm guessing that all of you, like us here in Portland, Oregon, are affected by the coronavirus, COVID-19. You're probably finding a new way to do things, a new way to work. Some of you, unfortunately, may be finding that you're unable to go to work. Families are staying home with their children, and instead of being at the temple with a lot of events, we've had to close as well for the safety of everyone in the local Sangha, as well as any visitors that may be coming through. So that leaves a lot of us in a new place in life. So hopefully we'll be making some more videos and sharing the Dharma with you in different ways. We're going to try some new technologies as well as live streaming. Again, this is a completely new realm, and we're trying to scramble at the last minute to figure out the best way to continue to offer the teachings to you. But I hope you'll bear with us. I'm also going to try to do some new things, offered some practices here, help alleviate some of the stress I know people are feeling, and work with everyone, answering questions and emails. I appreciate those who've reached out already. One of the things I just want to talk about is I'm sure anxiety is quite high. I've received a lot of emails and messages on Facebook and other places asking for practices to do in this time. And I've told a lot of people that in many ways this is a kind of a government mandated meditation retreat. So I think the first thing we need to do is maybe view it differently, look at it as an opportunity. I'm taking the opportunity to do some deeper study, deeper practice. I don't have visitors at the temple or people asking for appointments, so there's a bit more time to reread classics, go deeper into the sutras, and I encourage all of you to do the same. One thing I do want people to think about is to take this seriously. Do listen to your healthcare professionals in your area, and at least here in Oregon, I think as of today the governor's asked everyone to stay at home. That's included closing state parks and campgrounds. We do still have the okay for outdoor activities like walking, jogging, and hiking. If that is true in the area that you're in, I do encourage people to get out and get some fresh air. Completely staying inside this entire time is probably not the best thing for us. So the reason I'm doing this video here in the garden is to give you guys some encouragement to get out of the house, go for walks with your families. Please do keep in mind the social distancing that's been recommended, but at least here in this part of the country there's plenty of outdoor space that we can all be outside and maintain that distance. So this will be the first of our quarantine videos. I hope you stay tuned for the remainder of those. Some of them will be here in the garden. Some of these will be out and about on hiking trails to encourage you to do the same. And others will be focused on maintaining our health, keeping our anxiety and stress low, and hopefully giving you some ideas for practice during this time. So one of the other things I'm going to do is share with you what I'm reading while we're forced to stay indoors, and hopefully that'll encourage and inspire some of you out there. So thank you for tuning in to this first of the very much unscripted and unusually formatted videos, but I hope it's a little something to keep your mind off the news and give you some encouragement in other ways. So thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you soon.